Heredero jersey number 24. Intercept jersey number 20. Goes to Pen. Ay, hindi sinimula yan. Kabalona. Loose ball. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Kabalona. To Peña. Fires for 2. Too strong. Goes to jersey number 20. Same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Left 7 seconds on the shot clock. Peña inbound the ball. Goes to jersey number 23. To Peña. No. Rejected by Ramos. Kabalona trying to in. Side step. Fires for 2. No. Kamila pa rin. Good for 2. Dancil. Maraming bakbakan po ang pinapakinggan itong malunggay. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 16. Good for 2. Heredero.
Grabe ka lalaki na Heredero ba? Matangkad eh.
Matangkad.
Heredero, jersey number 24, trying to aim, fires for 2, too strong, got a ball by Ramos, he fakes, he fires for good for 2, Ramos.
Kakampi ba yun?
Wala pa yun. Yung rin sa kabila eh. Dito lang siya.
Apalo na kayo.
Nila, no?
Good ball, Ramos, jersey number 9, goes to jersey number 23.
Saan ang ring nila, Do?
Still, same ball,
Di ba doon siya nakasuot?
14 seconds on the shot clock, 5 minutes and 35 on our first quarter. Jersey number 23 goes to Balona. Side step, fires for 2. No, got a ball by Dancil.
Shot!
Good for 2.
Galing!
Dancil.
Wala na kayo.
Heredero to Pundaling, jersey number 11. Dribbling at the ball. Easy down to the court. Goes to Heredero, jersey number 24. Harassing Asong. Guntal. Foul. Foul on jersey ng number 23, Peña. Heredero. Heredero setting the play, looking for the open man.
Wala.
Shot!
Shot nyo na!
Rejected again by Ramos.
Halina pa.
Shot!
Jersey number 23.
Good!
Good for 2. Labaon. Heredero. No, got a ball by Peña. To Labaon. Labaon, trying to in.
Shot!
Intercept. Line violation.
Napakan nyo agad sa first game.
To Peña, fires for 2. No, got a ball by Dancil. Round 2. No, goes to Peña. Put back. Good for 2. Peña. 4 minutes and 50 seconds on the clock. That's 4 minutes and 50 seconds on the clock. Heredero, intercept by Labaon. Traveling violation by Labaon. And 4 minutes and 40 seconds on the clock. 4 minutes and 40 seconds in our first quarter. Heredero, jersey number 24. Pass to Heredero, jersey number 1.
Oh, wala! Oh, wala!
Fires, too short.
Wala!
Muntik pang mapasok nitong Marang Peña sa ring ng ibang ring.
Oh, wala!
Line violation by Ramos. Labaw to Apalo ng jersey number 29. Back to Labaw. 3 seconds violation.
Isa na
Jersey number
sila yung
24
tubig
trying
nila.
to in, side step, fires for 2, no. Got a ball by Peña. Yung Labaon. Labaon, nagmamadali papunta ng kanilang Labaon, trying to in, Jursen. Goes to Apalo ng jersey number 31 from the left side, from down to no. Got a ball by Heredero. Heredero trying to in, goes to Heredero, jersey number 24, good for 2. Heredero, 24. Apalona to Peña, trying to in. Same ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Pakuha po ng bola. Swap pala ng jersey number 21. Rejected again by Ramos. Nakakatatlong blanca na tang itong mamang Ramos. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Wala pa silang 10 isa lang.
Heredero number 1.
Wala!
Down. Too short. Got a ball by Sinian. Bundal.
Oh, wala!
Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul on jersey number 23. Peña.
Dalawa na. Agad.
Pagbibigyan po natin ng dalawang pangubuslo itong mamang
Ikaw,
Peña.
Charlie, wala nakalaro.
Wala. Makabul pa sana sa wala.
Kaya nga.
Ay, Bundal pala. Good for 1, Bundal. Good for 1, Bundal. Pangalawang pangubuslo nitong mamang Bundal. Pumasa. Oh, good for 2, Bundal. Labaon. Labaon is leaving the ball. Goes to his teammate, number 29, Apalon. Back to Labaon, setting the play. Goes to jersey number 23, Peña. Back to Labaon, shot down. Papakagad ba? Too short, got a ball by Apalona. Rejected again by jersey number 16, Ramos. Nakakapagtablang ka na ito. Itong mamang Ramos, score po natin. All 8, 3 minutes and 9 seconds in our first quarter. Jumbo! Dito po.
Yung relo niya, di niya mabuhaan.
Heredero, Heredero. Labaon, harassing Heredero. Losing control. Got a ball by Abalon and jersey number 21 to Peña from downtown. Peña, 3 points. Nakasagot agad itong mamang Peña sa choice itong mamang Heredero. 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the clock. Heredero to Heredero, jersey number 1, trying to win.
Wala!
Bundal, the captain ball of Del City, Mamang Bundal. Apalo na ngayon ang dadalhin ng bola. Papasok nga ba? Too short. Got a ball by Heredero, jersey number 1. Nagmamadali. Goes to Heredero, 24, right hand. Good for 2, Heredero.
Parang walang tao.
Line ball. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes and 3 seconds on the clock. Heredero, inbound the ball. Same ball. Last touch. Peña. Agawa ng buho gusto Labaon. Labaon ang mamadali sa dito kabilang court. 2 points, 2 for 2, Labaon.
Wala pa sa
Pero kay...
Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. Heredero. To Heredero from the left side. Too strong. Got a ball by jersey number 21 goes to Labaon. 1 minute and 38 seconds on the clock, Labaon. Left hand. No. Whoa. Tinayuan lang itong mamang Heredero.
Oh, wala!
No. Got a ball by Peña. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Just 1 minute and 25 seconds on the clock. Nagkamali ng pasa. Ito mamang Peña.
Wala!
Hindi ko kang Heredero. Heredero number 1. Paso Bundal. Ito Bundal. Time out, Red. Time out. Malunga. Labaon receiving the ball. Looking for his teammate. Sabi niya, wait lang. Uh-oh! Goes to Peña from downtown. Peña. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute in our first quarter. Heredero, cut by Pontal. Goes to Simian, jersey number 16. Good for you.
Ganti-ganti kasi sila galing. Dapat na nila walang harap. Isa lang kanila yung ano lang.
Abalona, Tutansil, too short. Kanina na, Buntal, good. Heredero, 30 seconds on the clock. Heredero, 5 for 2, good for 2. Heredero, ginamitan ng laki. Itong kaamang number 1, Heredero, 30 seconds on the clock. Last 30 seconds on the clock. Labao, for the long 2. No.
Sayang.
Got a ball by Heredero, 20 seconds. Heredero, jersey number 24.
Wala.
Too short. Heredero, jersey number 1 with the follow-up. Good for 1.
Paul no?
10 seconds.
Bakit nila
No shot clock.
Nag-Paul na yun.
7 seconds.
Bakit ano na yan?
3 seconds. Time! At siyempre nagtatapos ang ating unang pagyuyugto. Score mo natin.